Hey, what's up, YouTube? Joe Bellotta here. Just gonna do a quick bike check. Have a new fucking whip. Sick as fuck. All midnight blue and gold. Loving it. Yep. Alright. So, start from the front. I got flatware, cuff length grips in black with Odyssey power ends that come with it. Aaron Ross double space bars. Double wide or whatever the fuck they're called. In midnight blue. Yep. They're 8.65 rise, didn't do anything to them, just put them on my bike. Black mission stem, I don't really care, it's a stem, it's top load. Gold BSD headset. Sorry. Fucking midnight blue R32 Odyssey forks, 6 foot. Yeah, I like them. I haven't ridden my bike yet because I got a foot of snow outside anyway, so, you know, it is what it is, so, yeah. I got, a Fit FAF tire. I hate it. It's fucking popped my tire like 100 times nowadays. I'm trying to get the Kink Lira, whatever the fuck they're called, tires and white walls. I don't know if I should. I don't think it'll go with this, but if I do, I do. If I don't, oh well, I'm probably just gonna get new tires anyway, so, you know, tan walls, baby. Think about white, though. I got gold in the front, a gold G-Sport roll cage rim, laced to an Odyssey Vandero V2, with, two animal butchers are in the front. One's red, because it's all my shop had for, you know, all black, there was only, and then the sleeve broke off, of course, you know, fucking piece of shit. I hate these pegs. You have to use a 6 to get your front wheel off if you have a female, because it, like, fucks with it. So, don't ever buy these pegs, I'm just waiting to get new ones. Yep. Going down a little bit more. Yeah, Sunday Broadcaster 21 frame with, stolen 2.5 cranks, 36 spline. I like them. They're alright. 175 millimeter, or I don't know. I'll show you my sprocket in a minute. It's a Sabrosa Bandit. It's pretty sick. I like it. It looks brand new still, and I've had it for a while. The only bad thing is like, actually nothing really. I like it. Clear black. They actually kind of look like, you know, they look pretty good on my bike. Not midnight. Clears black LED, whatever the fuck they're called. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. My seat, I hate it. I'm getting a new one, probably a Stroud Saxon seat because it's got gold on it, and I used to have that seat and I loved it. Aaron Ross seat, hate it. Just like the bars, but you know, I don't like him as a rider. I like him as a person because I met him like 4 times now. And then for my old Sunday stock seat post, because you know it's a seat post, no one really gives a fuck. Sunday seat clamp that came with it. Now on the back, same thing as front, G-Sport roll cage, laced to a proper gold hub. The back are one Sabrosa Miles Rogish peg, and the other is a Shadow peg. No, well, if it ain't steel, it ain't real. That's what my motto is now. Yep. Tire is a Fly Reuben in black. Yep. Alright, on the other side of my sprocket. Alright. My bike's pretty heavy, but you know what? I don't care. Sorry about that. Oh yeah. Stolen bottom bracket revolver. It's pretty good. Still haven't ridden my bike yet. It's new. My sprocket. Oh, Odyssey Bluebird chain. I love this chain. Just got a new one because my other one, I don't know, I just want a new feeling bike. And yeah. So don't order shit off Dance.com. Be honest with you right now. I got on my bike flatware grips for Christmas. Alright, I'll tell you what I got for Christmas. I'm sorry guys, but Aaron Ross bars. Alright. Aaron Ross bars. The bars, I got the headset, grips, forks, frame, pedals. That's it. Yeah. So, yep. Thanks for watching my bike check. Edits gonna be out soon. No. Reviews and shit. Yeah, soon. Support your fucking local shops. Don't buy shit off of Dancecom, kids, alright? Frame I did not get off Dancecom, actually. Frame I got from Jacob Seeley himself, so. Yup. I feel like shit today. It's snowing anyway. So, yep, thanks for watching. I look like shit right now. Peace.